Imagine spending 6 months doing everything a YouTube guru told you to do. You post every day, you use the perfect hashtags, you copy viral thumbnails, you even follow the latest algorithm hack. Yet, your channel barely grows. And then you pause and ask, is YouTube against me? No, YouTube is not against you. The problem is that many new creators are being sold dreams instead of being taught the truth. Have you experienced that before? Today, I'm going to expose some of the biggest lies new YouTubers believe, explain why these videos keep getting millions of views, and tell you what actually works if you want to build a successful YouTube channel. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, don't skip this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping creators grow with practical, honest advice, not shortcuts or empty promises. I do my thing gradually. I'll spend countless hours learning, experimenting, succeeding in some areas and making mistakes in others. I've watched channels explode overnight and I've watched others stay stuck despite following every trending tutorial. You see, one thing became obvious. The biggest obstacle isn't always YouTube. Sometimes it's the advice creators are following. Now, let's talk about it. So I'm going to give you 5 biggest lies big creators tell you. Number 1, they say there's a secret algorithm hack. One of the biggest lies online is that someone has discovered a secret trick to beat the YouTube algorithm. You hear things like upload at exactly 7:13 p.m. or use these hidden tags, and then they can tell you to write this exact description. Let me tell you, if you don't do this, YouTube won't recommend your videos. The truth? The algorithm isn't looking for magic words. It's trying to figure out what viewers actually enjoy watching. If people click your video, they stay to watch it and interact with it. YouTube gets a signal that your content is worth recommending. There isn't one setting that guarantees success. The focus should be on making videos that people genuinely want to watch, because others will tell you just to keep you watching their videos and then they're having with their money. Then they say post every day to go viral. You've probably heard someone say upload every single day. I tried it sometimes and it didn't work. Can consistency help? Yes, but consistency doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Imagine uploading 30 average videos in a month that nobody watches. Now, imagine uploading 4 outstanding videos that people watch until the end and share with their friends. Just imagine that. So, which creator do you think YouTube is more likely to recommend? Quality and viewer satisfaction matter more than simply posting as often as possible. Choose a schedule you can maintain while producing your best work. Well, many tutorials tell new creators to copy successful YouTubers. They tell you have to study them. Absolutely. Copy them. Not exactly. What works for a creator with 5 million subscribers may not work for someone with 50 subscribers. Instead of copying everything, ask, why did that thumbnail catch attention? Why did that introduction keep people watching? So, learn the principles, not just the appearance. Lie number 4. Buying views or subscribers will help. No. This is one of the most dangerous myths. Buying subscribers might make your numbers look bigger, but subscribers who never watch your videos don't help your channel. So don't make that kind of mistake. Don't. In fact, if your subscribers ignore your uploads, YouTube gets the signal that your audience isn't interested. So, real growth comes from attracting people who genuinely care about your content. Slow, genuine growth beats fake growth every time. I hope you understand that. So don't do that. Don't buy subscriber. Viral video will change everything. So they say. Many creators think if I just get one viral video, my life will change. Sometimes a viral video does open doors. It has happened to one of my channel. But many channels go viral once and then disappear because they didn't build an audience around a clear topic or consistent value. So instead of chasing one viral moment, I want you to think about building a library of videos that people will continue watching over time. Do that. So that's how channels become sustainable. What actually works? So if the shortcuts don't work, what does? Here are a few principles that consistently matter. Create videos people are already interested in. Okay, and also start with a strong hook that gives viewers a reason to stay. Hook, I say, is always important. Use clear, honest thumbnails and titles that spark curiosity without misleading people. Don't use a fake thumbnail. Okay, and then keep improving your storytelling and editing so viewers can also stay engaged. So study analytics to understand where people stop watching and what keeps them interested. Most importantly, make videos because they help, entertain or inspire someone, not just because you are hoping to beat the algorithm. Just keep doing what you best know how to do. So I encourage you to go ahead with your valuable content. So if you've been discouraged because your channel isn't growing, don't assume you are failing. Okay, growth on YouTube often takes time, experimentation and persistence. Okay, so don't let exaggerated tutorials convince you there's one secret everyone else knows. The creators who succeed usually keep learning, they keep improving and keep showing up. And whatever they tell you, just to keep you watching their videos. So if this video challenged the way you think about YouTube, share it with another creator who needs to hear it. And also leave a comment and tell me the biggest YouTube myth you've ever believed. And if you want more honest advice about growing as a creator, subscribe to this channel because that's exactly what we'll be talking about here. So don't be stingy with your like, don't be stingy with your comment, don't be stingy with your subscription. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. My name is Boniface. See you there.